Today's video is an interesting one. I would appreciate you to watch this video to the end. I'm here today for those that their hair has refused to grow, those that have tried all manner and no results. Make this recipe your June hair growth challenge. Happy new month to all of you watching this. So if you experience excessive shedding during wash days, slow hair growth, excessive breakage, you find it difficult to retain length, your hair not so much at the tips or they split a lot, causing your ends to split, you find it difficult to retain moisture, your hair dries out fast and brittle, your hair is hard to comb, is detangling difficult for you, is your hair stiff, does it break combs while you try to comb it, are you tired of natural hair and want to give up? So if any of these that I mentioned is your case, then this video is for you. Watch to the end. Welcome to the channel. My name is DINMA. Please click the like button before you leave. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and then share this video with your family and friends. On today's video, we are going to be making cloves conditioner. Please sit right back and watch every step. Do not touch the dial button. Our first ingredient for today's recipe is cloves. Now, if you found it difficult to use cloves on your hair, it dries out your hair and makes your hair brittle, this video is for you because I'm going to be showing you the perfect way to make these cloves and use it without having it make your hair stiff or break your hair, as most of you complain. Cloves boost hair growth by increasing blood circulation and enriching the scalp with oxygen. In addition to vitamins A, C, and K, they also contain iron, manganese, and potassium. This not only adds strength to your hair but also prevents it from falling out. Our proportion today is 1 tablespoon and a half of the cloves buds. Please, if you have cloves powder, please use same proportion for cloves powder. So I measured that out and transferred into my transparent bowl. Please make sure all apparatus to be used are well sterilized. Whenever you're working or you're trying to make your products, make sure you sterilize your tools and allow them dry. So I had to blend it into a powder. I use my mortar and pestle. You can use your blender, but I must tell you that cloves can actually stain your blender. For my carrier oil to help infuse our cloves, I'm making use of olive oil. Some of you complain that coconut oil dry out your hair. Please, you can use olive oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, name them. There are a lot of carrier oils you can choose. So I started to combine and then transfer that into my pot. So when adding your oil, do not add too much because you are actually making leave-in conditioner with this, so that you don't flood your leave-in conditioner with oil. So just use little amount of oil. The reason is just to use the oil to infuse our cloves so that we can get all the benefits embedded in our cloves into the oil, so we can use the oil to make the leave-in conditioner. So using the DIY double boiler method, just the setup you just saw, pouring water in a pot, bringing to a boil and bringing the oil to boil alongside just to infuse it. So that's basically it, the way I used to infuse my oil, the fastest way, and also is also safe. So after leaving that in the water bath for 15 minutes, I turned off the heat and allowed to cool down a bit before I sieved. Now for the sieving process, I'm using a strainer and a kitchen paper towel to sieve this. You can use anything you like. I just don't want particles in this oil. Now next, Visit any store and get any leave-in conditioner of your choice. I've been using this leave-in conditioner since inception. My hair is over 5 years and counting, so I love this Cantu leave-in conditioner. You may not like Cantu, you can use any brand of your choice. That doesn't mean I don't use other leave-in conditioners, but I find myself buying this over and over again. Some people don't like it. Please use any brand of leave-in conditioner you like. So mix up everything, combine everything and mix up. I'm not going to be giving you any proportion for the leave-in conditioner. Just make as your hair as you can store, as much as you can or as little as you can. Me, I'm just making this little to show you. I already have got some that I currently use, but I just want to show you how to make this, hence the reason why I'm making this small quantity. I'm so sorry if you're hearing any noise from the background. The gardener is using the lawnmower to mow the lawn, so please ignore that noise. This video have to go on and I don't have any other time to do this. I just have to do it now. So I transfer that into this container, and that is me trying to show you the consistency and also show you how to apply this to your hair. So you are to use this as a leave-in. Do not rinse out. Don't come to the comment section to ask me, DINMA, are we going to rinse this out? How many minutes are we going to wait to rinse this out? Please use this as a leave-in cream. Apply it on your hair and then use it to moisturize your hair. If you have been finding it difficult to use our clove water, because that clove water works, and a mixture of other ingredients, please, this is perfect for you. If your hair dries out each time you use cloves, this is the perfect way to use cloves. I tell you, this will keep your hair super moisturized. This will make your hair soft. This will make your hair to stop knotting and splitting, provided you apply this generously on your hair shaft. From the beginning part of this video, if you're having any issue with your hair, just as mentioned at the beginning part of this video, be sure you're going to achieve that with this leave-in. When applying this leave-in conditioner, please do not forget your tips. Make sure to also apply to your tips, because they are the oldest part of your hair and they need to stay moisturized. Whatever you're doing to your hair, make sure to also do it to the tips of your hair. This leave-in conditioner can be used from 2 years upwards. Don't ask if a 6 months old can use it. From 2 years can use this leave-in, up to 100 years. Yeah, so apply this section by section on your hair. Make sure to work it in. You can also use a sealant like leave-in butter. You can use a sealant just like whipped butter cream or hair growth oil. Just top up to make sure that you seal in this, just for the moisture to last longer. If you notice that your hair is so dry, you can use our hair tea, any of the hair teas made on this channel, to hydrate your hair before applying this, just to dampen the hair a bit before you coat your hair with this leave-in conditioner and then seal with hair growth oil. That brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share with your family and friends. And I will see you on my next one shortly. Bye.